Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about NOT function. NOT function is used to reverse your condition. True to false, false to true. If your condition is true, output of NOT function will be false. If your condition is false, output of NOT function will be true. So let's see the practical approach here. So first I will give you simple example. If I'm taking if my this value is more than 200, then I need to take result as a pass. Otherwise, result will be true. True means fail. Sorry, false, fail. Okay, enter. So here my result is pass because the value is more than 200 of total marks. So here I need to take same result, but I will apply here not function. So how we can apply the not function with if? So first I will let you know, if I'm writing here this value more than 200. So this value is, as of now, this value is more than 200. So your output will be true. See here. But if you are applying not, not, not F2, F7 value is more than 200, then your output will be false as of now. You can see here. The condition is changed. Your output is changed because of not operator. Not operator changing your true result to false, false result to true. Now, what I have to do, if I want to take pass and fail through the not operator, if I'm applying here if, and here I'm applying not operator, and I want to pass them who has who have more than 200 marks, then you will have to apply here the value of total marks not less than 200. Not less than 200 means not more than 200. Not less than 200 means more than 200. Okay. So here I'm taking less than 200. Less than 200 means you will pass whenever your condition of total marks more than 200. Bracket close. Then I need to take here pass. Otherwise, take here fail. Enter. See here. Now drag in. Here I'm just changing the value. See here I'm checking 199. Now you will get fail as a output. Okay. So here I have written not less than 200. Not less than 200 means here my value is not more than 200. That's why we are getting fail. Okay. Not less than 200 means more than 200 should be here. Okay. So now if I drag in downside, your output will be as per condition. So why this value is fails? Because the total marks is less than 200. Okay. So you can see here. So this is a way to apply not operators. So I will give you some more examples in further session or further lecture. Thank you so much.